Good morning, my super students. Welcome back again. Today, inshallah, we have a revision. And the first lesson we revise today, inshallah, is fractions. And you must remember the number up is numerator and the number down is denominator. We have three types of fraction. First type, proper fraction, and proper fraction means the numerator smaller than the denominator, like 3 over 8. 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. And in proper fraction, it means the numerator greater than the denominator. Then I have 10 over 8. And we have mixed number. The meaning of mixed number, it means whole number and the fraction. And the fraction besides the whole number is proper fraction. Let's answer this exercise. Convert from mixed number to improper fraction. Then we change from mixed, have whole number and the proper fraction, and I want to change it to be improper fraction. We have steps to get the answer. First step, put the denominator. We write number 6. Then second step, down times up plus. Then we have 3 times 6 give you 18. 18 plus 2 give you 20. Then we write in the numerator, we write number 20. That is the second step. Another exercise, we have 2 and 1/5. First step, put the denominator as the same. We write number 5. Second step, down times up plus. 2 times 5 give you 10. We add 10 plus 1 give you 11. Then I write 11 up. Let's answer this exercise without steps. Remember with me, first step, put the denominator, and the denominator here is number 8. Yes, then down times up plus. 1 times 8 give you 8. 8 plus 4 equal 12. We go to another exercise here. Convert from improper fraction to mixed number. I have 13 over 6 and I want to change the improper fraction to be mixed number. The meaning of mixed number, whole number and a fraction. Then I write 6 down. That is the first step. I write the denominator at the same. Second step, we search about which number times 6 give you number nearest to number 13 or smaller than 13. Go to table 6 with me. 6, 12, 18. Yes, then I take 12 or 18. I take 12 because 12 is smaller than 13. I can't take number greater than 13. Then 6 times 2 give you 12. I write 6 times 2. Then I write 2. 6 times 2 give you 12. I write 2 here. 6 times 2 give you 12. Then 6 times 2 give you 12. Subtract 12 from 13. Give you 1. I write 1 here in the numerator place. Another exercise. We have 37 over 5. Remember with me how I convert from improper fraction to be mixed number. The meaning of improper, the numerator greater than the denominator, and the mixed number, it's mean whole number and the proper fraction. Then first step, put the denominator, and the denominator here is number 5. Second step, search about which number times 5 give you number smaller than 37. Go to table 5. 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, 35. After 35, 40. Then we take 35 or 40. We take 35. Then 5 times what give you 35? 5 times 7. Yes, 5 times 7 give you 5. Then I write 7 here as a whole number to get the whole number. Now 5 times 7 give you 35. Subtract 35 from 37 give you 2. Very good. decimal places. Remember with me all the decimal places, and remember with me the place value of each number. Where is the units place here? The units place is number 4. Yes, and after units we have tens, and after tens we have hundreds, and we have decimal point here. After the whole number we have decimal point, and just be after the decimal point we have tenth place. After tenth we have hundredth place, and after hundredth we have thousandth place, and the tenth place just we have one decimal place. Hundredth place it means just we have two decimal places. Thousandth place it means you have 3 decimal places. Let's remember together how we know the place value and the value of each number. First of all, how I read this number? Yes, start reading from the left side. 328. How I read the decimal? I say and. Then how I read the decimal? I say and. 328 and 125. The underlined number is number 2. The place of number 2 after the decimal point we have tenth, hundredth. Then the place is hundredth, and the value is, we write 2 and after 2 0 decimal point and cross out all the digits and replace by 0. Again, 702 decimal is read as and 68 what? The last place here is a thousandth. Yes, then I write 8 and before 8 hundredths we replace by 0. Tenth we replace it by 0. We put the decimal point and cross all the digits in the left side by 0. Again, 490 and 964. The last place is thousands. The underlined number is number in tenth place. Then I write 9 before 9 decimal point 0. 2347 and 45. Then I write the place of number 3 is 100, and we write 3 and double 0. We cross all the number after the decimal point. Write the following number in digit and letters. Yes, 162 and 85. What? 85 hundredths. 42 decimal point is add and 42 and 24, and the last place is hundredth. Yes, 695. 695 and it's mean decimal point 7,000. 7 in thousandth place, and we don't have hundredth, we don't have tenth. 706 and 1200. We have 12 here, and we stop at number or the place is hundredth place. Change from fraction to decimal number. 5 over 10. Join the numerator to 0 down. Join 5 to 0. Give you 5. Change 1 to be decimal. And we don't have whole number, we write 0. Join 6 to 0. You have number up to join with 0? No, so then I write 6, put 0. Want to change into decimal, then I write the whole number. Join 9 to 0. Give you 9. Join 4 to 0, give you 4. 0, you have 0 to join up? No, I write 0, decimal 0, because we don't have a whole number. Put bigger than or equal or smaller than. Yes, 325,000th. All the numbers here in which place? All the digits here in the decimal places. The 325, the last place is a thousandth. 325 thousandths, yes, they are equal. We have 0.04, 0.046. How many decimal places? 1, 2, and here 1, 2, 3. Now, before we start answer, we must make the balance. Then I must put here 0 to get 3 decimal places here and 3 decimal places here. Here we have 40 and here we have 46. Then 40 is smaller than 815,000 because we have decimal number 81,000. Then what I need before I put the sign bigger or smaller or equal, I must make the balance. Then I need 0 here to get 3 decimal places here, and here I have 3 already. Then 810,000 or 815, yes, 815,000 is greater than. Approximation, remember, poor and weak. Poor, it's mean weak. Remember, poor and rich numbers. Poor numbers, it's mean, or the poor numbers like number 0, 1, 3, 4. Strong number or rich numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. And the rich number gives the underlined number. Gives the underlined number give 1. Yes. Then we have 38 hundredths approximate to the nearest tenth. Underline hundredths or tenths. Yes, we want to approximate to the nearest tenth. Underline tenth. Circle the number just after 10. Are you poor or rich? Yes, I am rich number. Replace it by 0 and give the underlying number, give it 1. Then the final result is number 0 decimal, because 1 plus 3 give you 4 or 0 decimal 4. The next exercise here, 5,842 and 61,000. Approximate to the nearest 100. Underline the 100. Circle the number just after 100. Are you poor or rich? Poor. Cross all the number and cross all the number after the underline. Give 1 here. No, we replace all the digits after the decimal point by 0, or we can write 5,800 without the decimal and the number of 0 after decimal. Like this number, we can write it by the 2 ways. Here we have types of polygons. Let's remember the types of polygon. Before we start revision, let's remember the meaning of side, it's mean line segment. The meaning of vertex, it's mean is a point between 2 sides. And the angle, it's mean a figure formed by 2 lines or rays from a common point. Yes. And now let's remember some types of polygon. We have triangle. How many sides? The name first is triangle. The number of sides, 3. Number of vertices, 3. Number of angles, 3. 3 angles, 3 sides, 3 vertices. Yes. And 3 diagonals. Let's see here. What is the name? It's quadrilateral. Yes, quadrilateral. 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles. Yes, and we stop here and we complete this part in the class, inshallah.